Hi everybody and welcome to K-Lives, and today we are going to play a game together. It's called Shapes Construction. Let's press the start button to start.
Welcome to Shapes Construction!
Ooh, that's
We can
nice.
drag the shapes from the box below to the matching shapes above. Match all of the shapes to help the cats and dogs. Hint, don't forget to scroll left and right at the bottom of the screen to see more shapes.
Ooh, okay. Now let's start, guys. Ooh, this is easy. Let's start. This is the ginormous circle. Let's put it right here. Every time we make it good like this, it makes a sound. Let's make another sound with this shape. Do you know where it goes? You're right, it goes here. These blue lines make the shape of that shape, and you need to put that shape into its space. Space or spot? Let's put this. It looks like a rectangle or a square. Let me know what's this, a rectangle or a square. Ooh, that sounds like a scary sound. But don't worry about that. We are brave, right? This one here, the last one there. Well, I think this reminds me of a castle. Does it remind you of a castle or something else? Do you think it's something else or it's a castle? I wonder what could it be. I think it might be a castle. But this little tiny triangle here, and this long rectangle here, this small triangle here, and this one here. We're done. Do you think we're done? No, there's one more space. Where could it be? I think I see it. It's the square. Just press this arrow more, and there's the square. Now put it into the last space, into this blue square space. Hooray! And this is tricky. So let's start and see what's really tricky. Oh my gosh. I think this is not. We can do this, right guys? Okay. So is this match here? Yes. So this goes here. Ooh, that looks like a creak sound. Hey, we know this. We know. You guys know this one goes here. Why is it making the shape? I think we could put this little one here. Hey, why is it not dragging? Get it. Ooh, this one goes here. Why is this white making the shape? Okay, this actually goes here because the white is making the shape of it. What's going on? Okay, this one here. Let's press this out to see more shapes.
Try again!
Oh, I got the beep beep sound. Don't worry, we have a chance. And then the last one goes here. Yay. Okay guys, that's it for today. Please learn those shapes that I put them together and make a shape, a ginormous shape. You can do that too on your own. Just cut out some shapes and then okay, so maybe I won't focus on that for now. Well, maybe Thank you for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe for my YouTube channel. I'll say bye for now. Bye, guys.